Key Dome allows contractors and maintenance crews that need to access rooftops for repair and maintenance work safely and easily, eliminating the dangerous hazard of falling through a skylight. Key Dome is designed to surround the lens of a skylight with a railing that exceeds OSHA fall protection standards. Key Dome can be assembled with simple tools. No welding or large crews are needed. Before installing skylight fall protection, please be aware of the inherent risks associated with working near a fall hazard. Severe injury or death can result if correct safety procedures are not understood and followed. A skylight is a dangerous fall hazard. A skylight lens is not intended to withstand the weight of a person. Do not lean or put any weight on the lens. Obey all fall protection regulations for your geographic location. Do not attempt to perform work around a fall hazard without proper fall protection training, a written safety plan, and applicable safety equipment. This procedure needs to be performed under the supervision of a competent person. You will need the following tools to successfully complete this installation: a torque wrench, measuring tape, 5/16 hex driver, pipe cutting saw, pipe vise, and heavy-duty work gloves. And now, here are the step-by-step instructions to install your Key Dome skylight railing. Begin by removing ballast and other debris from the base locations around the skylight. Position the Key Dome bases at the corners of the skylight. It is important to ensure that the bases are touching the corners. There should be no gap between the skylight and the base. Some skylights will require an intermediate upright. There are two types of intermediate uprights. The first kind of intermediate is a Key Dome corner base that is turned to the side. Take care to ensure that the base is pressing up against the skylight frame. The second intermediate style is a boot-shaped fitting. When this fitting is used, a horizontal pipe needs to be cut to connect the fitting to the frame of the skylight. Install a cap on the end of the pipe to keep the pipe from damaging the roof membrane. Position a clamping ring into the slot of each Key Dome base. Ensure that the set screw is accessible through the slot. As you build the railing, place a pre-assembled upright into each of the bases. It is best to wait to the end to tighten the set screws in the Key Dome bases. In some cases, your pipe may come pre-cut to fit your skylight. Otherwise, you will need to measure the distance between the uprights and cut the pipe to the appropriate length. During assembly, tighten the set screws as you connect the rails to the uprights. Ensure that the bases are still pressed up against the skylight frame as you install the railing. After your railing is assembled, go back through the system and tighten all set screws to 29 foot-pounds. Missing the tightening of a set screw could compromise the integrity of the system, so do a final walk-around to ensure that all the connections are solid. This completes the installation of the Key Dome skylight railing system. If you have any questions about the installation or maintenance of Key Dome, please contact Simplified Safety